Hello students, welcome to APG Pathshala. I am Dr. O.P. Verma from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Today we are going to talk on module Sources of Values from paper Human Values and Indian Ethos. After studying this module, you will be able to understand meaning of human values, nature of human values, prominent human values, functions of human values, importance of human values in business organization. Introduction to value system. All the other systems of society are in a way or other dependent on value system. The main aim of today's society is to earn more money by any means, be it fair or foul. It is assumed to be natural human tendency that money leads to greed, which further leads to unethical plotting like corruption, scams, frauds, etc. In the growing business world, where earning profit is the ultimate goal, also not only earning profit but gaining it as fast as possible has lead to use of shortcuts rather than and are going long cherished ethical value system by the business organizations. In today's competitive economy, led by market value system, is showing continuous degradation, putting values at back and which is leading to multiple problems in the socio-economic system. Corruption has become uncontrollable and the unethical means are adopted to accumulate money in faster ways. The use of unethical means is leading to unfair business transactions and corporate affairs. Thus, to protect and preserve ethical management of business system, we need to solidify our value system. Core of value system is built by commitment, integrity, teamwork, positive attitude, development of people, and focus on every customer. Concept of values. We can lay the foundation of ethical business with the study of value system. Thus, value teaching must be included in every management course of universities and colleges to teach business and corporate ethics to students of management courses to flourish young generation of budding entrepreneurs and managers with strong value system. This will affect the decision making of the managers in future and benefit the society. Values make the decisions more ethical, kind and human. In today's business world, we can see many examples where business based on morals and ethics have cultivated more wealth. Business tycoons like Bill Gates of Microsoft, Azim Premji of Wipro, Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, Tim Cook of Apple Inc., Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway, Larry Ellison of Oracle, Narayan Murthy of Infosys, etc., have brought about changes in ethical values of business world by following proper ethical path and are thus promoting corporate social responsibility. Elements of values. Every person has a set of different values, but only these values highlights human behavior and conduct in day-to-day activities. These values are also helpful in business interactions in any corporate organization. Values are inner core conduct, personality and socially preferable. Various members of a specific culture share lasting beliefs about what is good or bad or desirable or undesirable, which are considered as values. Values are base of skills. Many times people have value system of their own, as one person may consider honesty over wealth, while some might consider wealth over honesty. Scope of values. Scope of the value is not only limited to business world but applies to all disciplines and are studied in the fields like religion, law, politics, economics, sociology, humanities, psychology, and morality, etc. Value system has evolved from the philosophical studies from the time of Aristotle and Plato, and economic philosophy of Adam Smith, which was in his book Wealth of Nations. Plato studied value through a question: is a thing esteemed because it is good, or it is good because it is esteemed? He himself gave the answer that good is independent of appreciation. Thus, use of values in business and economics makes it appreciable or desirable. In business system, different factors are assigned values, and it is chosen on the basis of values assigned. It is responsibility of business organizations to provide good values to its customers, suppliers, shareholders, workers, employees, distributors, and most important, the customers. Functional dimension of values. Values take an individual towards a positive path in society. These are not only to make our belief system but also give direction to our objectives in life. Values focus on what ought to be rather than what is. Thus, they give more importance on ethical behavior. They express the social action. We decide what's good, proper, correct, desired, important, worth and bad, improper, wrong, undesired, unimportant on the basis of our values. Behavior of a person is formed by attitude, which is a result of perception made by our beliefs. We know value shapes our belief system, thus, behavior of a person is dependent on the values. Values solve the basic human problems as why to do something, what to do, and in what order to do them. Philosophical dimension of values. The study of value is termed as axiology. Axiology is derived from Greek word axios and logos, which means worthy and science respectively. Study of values is thus science of goodness. Economic value term was coined in 19th century by Adam Smith, keeping in mind its exchange value. Sociological perspective of values. The importance of values in society is that it shapes the direction in which society believes and behaves. Values are usually considered as good, desirable, worthwhile, proper, or bad, undesirable, improper. Many sociologists have given their statements regarding values. R.K. Mukherjee states, values are socially approved desires and goals that are internalized through the power of conditioning, learning, or socialization, and that become subjective preferences, standards, and aspirations. By their nature, all human relations and behavior are embedded in values. The economic dimension of values. Value not only means moral ethics, but in economic terms, value is amount of one commodity which can be exchanged for another commodity. Commodity can be materialistic or non-materialistic in nature. Many economists have given their views on values, their relationship with cost. Some of the well-known economists who gave their views are Adam Smith, David Ricardo, Alfred Marshall, Karl Marx. Various business organizations also focus on value theory, where pricing of commodities or products is required. Economists Adam Smith and David Ricardo explained value theory on the basis of cost of production. Adam Smith stated that value of product depends on labor, whereas David Ricardo states that value of product depends on both labor and time involved. Modern economists, whereas concentrated on demand side and gave marginal utility analysis. Some of the modern economists who gave this theory are Stanley Jevons, Karl Menger, and Leo Waters. Thus, with introduction of concept of marginal utility, economists were divided on the basis of classical and modern theory of values. This division was unified by Marshall. The theory given by classical economists was based on cost production focused on supply side in the market, whereas the marginal utility theory was concerned with demand side. But for proper study of theory of value, we have to take both demand and supply sides. Therefore, a partial equilibrium analysis is more important for study of theory of value. The importance of values. In global economic system, values hold extreme importance. Values guide us as what is important in our lives like success or family and what is not important. For example, if someone values family over success, he would not be interested in a job which takes more time away from the family. The values within us do not change, but as we grow as individuals, we gain more knowledge about different aspects and we begin to aspects of life in a different ways. As a child, one may value friends or family more, while growing up, that may change to success over family. Moral and ethical values. Moral and ethical values are the mental contents of a person with values. These ethical values are the divine qualities, also called gannas. In business organization, we should not use unfair means or adulteration if we don't want to use flawed goods. A man with poor character and integrity causes greater harm than the person with poor knowledge, poor performance, and lack of judgment and analytical ability. For example, a salesman with poor communication skills may cause loss in sales, but a salesman who makes false promises may result in poor image of organization, which can be fatal for organization in long run. Thus, ethical values are nurtured in business world. Values and skills. Values and skills together form ethical actions that are incurred in life. Values are the theoretical aspect, whereas skills form the practical aspect, together forming correct action. Values guide us as to become a good person, whereas skills tell us what to do to become a good person. As in a computer system, it is made of two parts, software and hardware. Similarly, in value system, values are like the software and skills bring about hardware aspect. Purity of soul is brought with values. It is an internal aspect, whereas skills are quality of functions we perform, which is an external aspect. Values form the predecessors of skills, hence are more important than skills. Difference between values and skills. Some of the major differences between values and skills are Values tell us what to become, what skills guide us how to become. We can do a work perfectly with combination of values with skills as values act as a base for skills. Values deals with internal aspect as it purifies soul, whereas skills provides expertise, which is external aspect. Sometimes skills may cause demotivation or division, as one individual may not have equal skills as the other, whereas values always unite or bring relatedness. We have constant values, but skills may vary with time as one may become better. Difference between values and attitude. Attitude is a behavior of a person towards a particular object, whereas values are the belief system of an individual. Significance of values. Values are said to be the guiding light in a person's life. They give a direction to person's decisions. They form the basics of our nature and actions. Values create good business ethics such as good quality service, better communication, excellence, and innovation. The managerial qualities and success must also be based on proper value system as it creates goodwill, coordination within the organization with better supervision, direction, and control. We attain mental, spiritual, and emotional peace if we are internally satisfied. Management theories and corresponding value system. There are four types of ethics theories. We can study relationship between various management theories and ethics theories. These are stated below. The rational goal theory. Number two, the internal process theory. Number three, the human relation theory. And number four, the open system theory. Let us first discuss the rational goal theory. This theory mainly aims on increasing the productivity of organization. This theory was given in early 20th century by Frederick W. Taylor. Frederick, with this theory, focused on producer and production. According to this theory, organization interacts with its external environment to exchange, hence making organization as an open system. In this outcome, oriented ethical values are given more importance than ethical values. The internal process theory. In this theory, main focus was laid on the due observance of norms and adherence to rules. This theory was given by Max Weber and Henry Fayol in early 20th century. This theory considered that to achieve goals, an organization should lay stress on strong rules and regulations. The next theory is the human relations theory. This theory was propounded by Elton Mayo in mid 20th century and it lays stress on value system of managerial department. Manager acts as a mentor having qualities like openness, participation, team building and commitment. The fourth theory is the open system theory. This theory given by Paul Lawrence and J. Laws focused on values like innovation and coordination within a manager. In this, manager should bring together both internal and external components of organization. Hence, acts as a glue of organization. This theory gives system-oriented ethical values more importance than other ethical values. Organizational value system. To achieve goals and targets, different organizations develop different value system of their own. Organizational value systems of India have following features. Number one, cooperation. Cooperation and coordination is always preferred over individual working. Number two, family orientation. A child gets his values from family. In India, family serves an important role in an individual's decision making. The value system is family based in India. Humility and respect for others. Value system in India includes humility and respect for others. Self management. A person should know how to manage his own life before managing others. Summary. All the other systems of society are in a way or other dependent on value system. In today's competitive economy led by market value system is showing continuous degradation, putting values at back and which is leading to multiple problems in the socio-economic system. Core of value system is built by commitment, integrity, teamwork, positive attitude, development of people, and focus on every customer. Value teaching must be included in every management courses of universities and colleges to teach business and corporate ethics to students of management courses to nourish young generation of budding entrepreneurs and managers with strong value system. Scope of the value is not only limited to business world but applies to all disciplines and are studied in fields like religion, law, politics, economics, sociology, humanities, psychology and morality, etc. Values solve the basic human problems as why to do something, what to do, and in what order to do them. The importance of values in society is that it shapes the direction in which society believes and behaves. Value not only means moral ethics, but in economic terms, value is amount of one commodity which can be exchanged for another commodity. Moral and ethical values are the mental contents of a person with values. Values and skills together form ethical actions that are incurred in life. Values are the theoretical aspects, whereas skills form the practical aspect, together forming correct action. Values create good business ethics, such as good quality service, better communication, excellence, and innovation. Value system helps in creating a better workplace, creating positive atmosphere to work, and the output becomes more productive, spiritual, and ethical. Values based on beliefs like integrity, respect, creativity, courage, loyalty, respect, and commitment are the core values of corporate worlds. There are four types of ethics theories. The rational goal theory, that is teleological ethics theories. The internal process theory, deontological ethics theories. The human relations theory, that is virtue ethics theories. The open system theory, that is systems development ethics theories. To achieve goals and targets, different organizations develop different value system of their own. Value system of corporate in India includes cooperation, family orientations, and respect to all and self-management. Thank you.